What's going on, folks? It's Mr. Bucket List here, and today I'm in Cozumel, Mexico, where I'll be showing everything at Kuza. Let's check it out. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, first I just want to say welcome. This will be a complete tour of everything that's at this location, minus the water park. The water park was not open at the time of me visiting, so I'm just going to show the more adult side with the resort and the food and things like that. There will be timestamps in the description, so if you want to jump around from the buffet to the beach to the VIP area, please have at it. And then lastly, this is a part of my Everything on Location series. So what I mean by that is it's not like cheesy voiceovers and stuff like that, unless I have to, like right now, for example. But it's more about making you all feel like you're actually there. So I may cut in and get some audio just to kind of explain what's going on. But other than that, it's just me walking around with the camera, showing you all what's there, showing you all the real experience and going from there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get to it. So this is the very long bridge to the beach, I guess. Okay, so we have made it to the entrance of Kuza. Again, there's no easy way to get here, at least from the bus area. You do have to walk that long bridge. This is the main entrance here. Now, I'm not really sure where we need to go. They weren't really clear about it, but we'll figure it out. And a map. Okay, and right here is the main restaurant area. I'm gonna tell you all right now, the food smells amazing. And it's not even ready yet. Yeah, this is nice. That is the main restaurant right here.
The beach area, and this is the restaurant, the meeting point right here, and 11:15, okay? So right now you can see.
Okay, and this is the bar right here. Alright, so I'm at the bar finally. They got a good selection. The drink menu down here, all included. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Okay. And then this is where you can rent a kayak. And they also have your restrooms here. And lockers. So these are the north lockers over here. And then as you all can see, they also have some showers. This is where you get your gear from. They have this available as well. The day bed area type of things. These are really nice. Okay, so right here is the concierge desk. So if you forgot to bring your towel, you come over here and get one. And then they also have this little map here. Go ahead and grab one. And then the spa area. If you want to get a rub down, there you go. I got a bar over here. here. So I'm at Kuza Park. This is a national park. This is the largest private beach here on here in Cozumel. So I'm gonna give you all a full tour. As you all can see right here, this is the VIP area where they have the different day beds, lounges, stuff like that. It's really nice over here. All right, look at this. It's so nice, so beautiful. Let's go. Okay, so this is plate number 1. Okay, so this is plate number 2. Alright, and this is plate number 3. Might as well eat if I'm not gonna drink. Tequila Sunrise, which is another one of the drinks included. Alright, so I do have my drink in my hand over here. This Blue Lagoon is so good. Alright, so we're going to keep on walking to see what other areas we have. Now this is a big beach, so after I eat lunch or breakfast, whatever you call it, I'm going to try to walk this entire beach. Souvenirs. They do have hammocks over here. So as you all can see, this beach is long. They also do have these little signs, so I'm assuming if you're on a cruise ship, each section is blocked off by these signs. So yeah, so far so good. This has been a cruise I needed. If you all know me personally, you know exactly what's going on. Just some things in life. I'm not going to go into detail about it, but I needed this cruise, and so this is really nice to be here. There's a stage right here. Alright, so if anybody wants a picture with the wings behind them, there it is. So if you're like me, if you got to do a selfie, there you go. That's actually pretty cool, folks. Okay, so this is the rhythm stage. Let's go. We got another bar. So pretty much if you walk down this strip, there's going to be bars everywhere. So here's a bar right here. And then a food truck over there. Let's keep on walking. So rental excursion. Food right here. Now, just to let you all know, I am walking in sand right here, so I'm trying to speed it up. Maybe I'll do a hyperlapse or something so I can get there faster. But this is sand. If you want some like a getaway area, they got plenty of hammocks, as you all can see. That's actually pretty amazing. This is nice. This is really, really nice. Now, I'll give you all a pro tip. So when you first get off the bus, everyone's gonna be crowded in this one little area, and your tour guide's gonna say, hey, this is our area. That's true, but it's not true, at least for Norwegian Cruise Line. I can't speak for other cruise lines. if you want to, just walk down here. They're not gonna say no, you can't come over here, because no one's down here. So this isn't a VIP area. The VIP area is what I showed earlier with the tan seats and the day beds and stuff like that. That they will tell you you can't stay there unless you're a part of the VIP section. But for anyone else, if you want a secluded area, just come down here. And then this is the kids' play park. And I also got some foosball tables. Okay, so this is the adults only beach here. It's called Chill Beach. They also have a restaurant here as well, but it's closed. And I'm gonna be pissed if the restaurant that I'm looking forward to opens before 9:30, because they said 9:30, it's 9:13. Anyway, so this is it. As you can see, it's really nice. That's it. Oh, that's perfect. All right, so even more boards and things like that. Again, this is the adults only area. And then they also have showers and lockers. So your lockers right there, showers, restrooms. Like I said, I gotta pee. So I'm about to head to the restroom. And then as you can see, the beach goes all the way down there, but this is pretty much the end of the private beach itself. Alright, so we got the DJ out here. Folks out here getting it.